Edge Wallet app: the pros, the cons. The Edge Wallet app claims to be one of the safest and easiest crypto wallets out there, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons so you can decide if it's right for you. The first thing to know about Edge Wallet is that it's all about user control. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you, and only you, hold your private keys. Your funds are stored locally on your device, encrypted, and never shared with any server. This gives you full ownership of your crypto, no third-party risk. One of Edge's biggest advantages is its simplicity. The app is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. Setting up an account is fast. There are no complex seed phrases to manually write down right away. Instead, Edge uses a username and password encryption system, which makes onboarding feel familiar while still secure. Another major plus is multi-asset support. Edge supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and dozens of other coins and tokens. It also integrates with DeFi platforms, allowing you to swap, buy, or sell crypto directly in the app without using an exchange. Security is another strong point. Edge uses client-side encryption, two-factor authentication, and automatic backups, all while keeping your data private. Even the team at Edge can't access your wallet, not even if you lose your password. But let's talk about the downsides. While Edge makes things easy, its simplified recovery system relies heavily on your login credentials. If you forget your username and password and haven't enabled recovery, your funds may be unrecoverable. Also, the selection of DeFi options is limited compared to more specialized wallets, and advanced users might find the customization options lacking. In short, the Edge Wallet app is perfect for beginners who value simplicity, privacy, and control over their funds. If you want a wallet that balances security with ease of use and keeps your crypto truly yours, Edge is a solid choice.